Yesterday, the European Central Bank deeply disappointed market participants by its results. The only fact that met traders' expectations is that Christine Lagarde said that the first key interest rate hike since 2011 would take place in July. However, interest rates will be raised just by 25 basis points instead of 50. In September, the regulator will just consider one more key interest rate hike. However, there is no guarantee that it will be raised. In addition, the ECB upwardly revised its inflation forecast for the next 3 months. There is no wonder that the euro slumped, affecting the pound sterling. Now we see an insignificant technical rebound in the market. Even its magnitude is reflecting a lack of belief in the euro's growth. It's quite possible that once the US trade begins, the greenback will resume gaining in value. The jump is likely to be driven by the US inflation report that may unveil that the indicator remained unchanged. These results will point to a lower inflationary pressure on the US economy, thus making the greenback more attractive than the euro and the pound sterling. What do we see on the trading charts ahead of the US trade? The euro-dollar pair lost more than 120 pips and broke the lower limit of the range of 1.0636 and 1.0800. Judging by the price behavior, we may assume that speculators have become active. The technical rebound is still in force thanks to the local overheating of short positions on the euro. Against the backdrop, the euro may return to the limits of the early broken range, though only for a short period of time. Once the price settles below 1.06, it's likely to resume falling. In this case, the US dollar will have a chance to recoup losses after the recent drop. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair began falling due to positive correlation with the euro. As a result, the price once again approached the lower limit of the range of 1.2450 and 1.25. The pound-dollar pair is still moving within the sideways channel. That's why a rebound from the lower limit is quite possible. Traders are still considering the breakout strategy as the main one. Trading recommendations. Buy orders could be initiated if the price consolidates above 1.2600 on the 4-hour period, with a target at 1.2660, and traders may open sell positions if the price settles below 1.2450 on the same time frame, with a target at 1.2350 and 1.2300. How is the trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon.